we're going to do a simple hip flexion strengthening exercise. But what we're also going to do is we're going to do a capsule car, which is just rotation of the joint. We're going to do it on the hip. So it's going to be hip flexions. We're getting this nice, strong hip flexion strengthening, but we're going to work through internal and external rotation. What happens with that is we get better strengthening through the whole capsule rather than just one line straight up, okay? So it's a simple exercise. You can grab a band, start light and work your way up to higher, but you know, a yellow is a good to start with, you know? If your band is either a TheraBand or the flat bands, it's better. If you get the rounded ones, they're just gonna roll off your leg, which is actually just frustrating. We're gonna pop it around one foot. If it's too long, you can double it up or wrap around your foot. And the other one is gonna go on above the knee, so on this leg. So I'm gonna be lying on my back. I'm gonna take a breath in, trap that air in my lower abdomen, bring my hip into flexion. So I'm here around 90 degrees. You can work higher as well. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna externally rotate as far as we can actively go while maintaining hip flexion. Then we're gonna go internally rotate. So when I turn my foot out, that's internal rotation. Keep that hip towards you and then go the other way. We're doing this as a long endurance strengthening of the capsule. So you might hold this for a minute or to really work on squeezing that hip as you go through. So I'm pulling that foot up. My hip is doing all the work. I'm slowly controlled, internally rotating, which is that foot going out. So the hip is internal, the foot out. Hold there, keep that hip flexion. Good. And done. Very simple exercise, very effective. Good for runners, for anyone who needs their hips for their sport, or if you just have a bit of hip, issue or pain, this is a great strengthening exercise. Give it a go and let me know what you think.